Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Chip, and today's video is a very special video for someone very special here on YouTube and in my life. And today's video is a happy birthday! Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday! I can't sing, but you get the gist. Happy birthday, Anya. I love you so much. And this video is celebrating all things Anya Stamper, all things her birthday. And this was, I'm just so blessed to be part of this collaboration. So thank you again to Debbie Knoblauch, who brought all of us together. And we wanted to dedicate a video to a very special birthday girl. Happy birthday! Okay, I'll stop singing. Okay, I'm done. Happy birthday, Anya. I love you. So, in today's video, I am dedicating this look to Anya Stamper, or Pink Sweets, here on YouTube. And if you're interested to see the palette of choice, the makeup look, zoom in a little closer, grab your snack and blankie, and let's get started. I'll be using this palette here. This is the Morphe 35M palette, or the Boss palette. Have I used it yet? No. So I thought this would be a great chance to use it. And the shades in here, I feel like Anya would grab. They're purples, they're greens, they're metallics, they're mattes. So I'm like, okay, this is everything Anya in a palette. They're colorful. Okay. We're gonna do this. We're gonna use this palette. And yeah, so let's go ahead and create a look. Right, so to start this look, I'm going to use the Urban Decay Eyeshadow Potion Primer. This is in Original, and put it all over my lid. Now, Anya and I, we met here on YouTube, and I instantly fell in love with her energy and just the way that she does YouTube. She's very open and warm-hearted on her channel, I do have to say. I really was drawn to her because of just how welcoming I felt the first time I clicked on her channel. It was crazy. And I remember just messaging on a video, and I'm like, I don't even know if like she'll see this comment, because let's be real, Anya has a lot of comments on her channel, and I was like, let's just take a chance and say hello and see if she will say hi. And she did, and that's one thing I really do appreciate about Anya, is that she takes the time to respond to people's comments, even if it's just like saying hello. She's just that kind of person. She will always respond and always show love back to people that are showing love to her, and it is just something amazing, and it's just a great quality to see in a person, you know? So we met here on YouTube, like I said, and we then moved to Instagram and got to know each other there a little bit more. And really, Anya has been in my life ever since, and she's been there for me through my ups and downs. I can't say that enough. Like, I have been through so much since we met, good things, bad things, and Anya has always been so consistent. She's been the person to be like, don't cry. She's been the one to be like, you've got this, I'm so proud of you, I love you. And no matter what time of day I message that girl, no matter what time of day, she always answers and responds. And it's just great to have that type of person, that type of support system in your life, because you never feel alone when you have Anya in your life. You just never do. And I love you for that. Anya is like my big sister in a way that she's so protective, and it's really comforting. So I've had those moments here, like on YouTube, on Instagram, social media. You're putting yourself out there for the whole world to see, and some people, some trolls, are out there just to put negativity into your life. And I carry my emotions on my shoulder, which is probably not so great when you're trying to do something so public. But I know when I get a comment that really hits me hard, I can always go to Anya and just be like, what is going on? And Anya is like, in a loving way, she's like that pit bull that protects your household. You know what I'm saying? Like, she will be on that comment like butter on mashed potatoes. Like, she is like, no, don't let these people even for a second take away your light. She has given me so much confidence, so much love, so much support that it's impossible to think anything less of yourself when Anya's in your life. It is impossible, because she reminds you how great you are every single moment. And I've had those comments where even, you know, I'm trying to settle the fire and I'm just like, Anya, I don't know what I'm doing wrong. And she's like, let me handle this. You know, like, she's just amazing. And it kills me every time I think of her, that I was in Washington for something with me and Travis, and literally we were 10 minutes apart. 10 minutes apart, and it didn't hit me to tell her where I was, but she saw one of my snaps of me at the Washington Memorial, and she was like, Chip, are you in Washington right now? And I was like, yeah. And she's like, oh my gosh, come see me. And I was already heading back to the airport. I was so upset. I was like, Uber driver, turn this around. I was like, oh my gosh, I cannot believe how close I was to seeing her in person. But it's okay, because Travis has promised me that we're gonna see each other very, very soon. The day I see you in person, Anya, I don't know what I'm gonna do. Like, faint, cry, both. But yeah, back to my thought process. Anya to me is like family, and she's so protective, so supportive, and so loving. And there's not a day that I doubt myself because of her, because she definitely brings that energy, that trust, and that support system. So I love you. I love you so much for that. And you have no idea how much all of the things you've done for me have changed my life and made me a stronger person, a more confident person, and a more outgoing person. And to cut my crease, I'm going to dive into a new concealer. I got this in a boxy charm, and it's way too light to use under my eyes, so I'm just gonna save it and use it as my cut crease concealer. Okay, so this is by Pretty Vulgar, and it's the Undercover Concealer, shade number 63, and the name The Middle Ground. So I'm gonna go ahead and cut my crease with the ABH number 18 brush. She has such a bright and bold personality. She makes me smile. She makes me just so happy and content. Like, she's just amazing. She really is. And she's so caring about others around her, which I think is a great quality in any individual regardless. But yeah, I love it. I love that she's diving into neutral looks, and she's like, I never would have thought I liked them. But she does some amazing looks, you guys. So please check out her channel. It is very makeup focused. She does tutorials, unboxings, first impressions, reviews, and we do a Shop My Stash series together where we use some of our old and forgotten makeup and just bring some attention to it. But it's been just a joy and a pleasure to get to know her, to be in her life, for her to be in mine. So Anya, I really, really hope that you are having such a great day, and I hope that this collab just brings such a smile to your face, because we really wanted to do something special for you. And thank you again to Debbie Knoblauch for including me in this collaboration. I am truly blessed to be here, and I think the ladies that are all doing this are amazing, are talented, and I have linked all of their video channels down below, so please go check that out as well, and just continue to celebrate Anya's birthday with us. It's so sweet. It's so sweet to see how many people are involved and how many people just love you, honey. You have touched so many lives. We're blessed by you. We're thankful for you, and we hope that you're just feeling the love through this collab, because we love you so, so much. I'm trying my hardest not to sing again, because I know it was awful, but happy birthday. Okay, so let me finish off this look, and we'll add some lashes, and get to the end. Okay, so this completes my birthday contribution and inspiration look for Anya Stamper. Again, her YouTube channel is called Anya Stamper and she's known as Pink Sweets, and I am so excited about this look. I think it is going to be one of those special looks that I will always remember that this one was for you, honey. I love you so much. Happy birthday. I have to do it. Happy birthday. I love you and I hope you're having such a wonderful day. And if you like this video, please leave it a big thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you to everyone for joining me in this moment, and I really hope you enjoyed this look. Everything I used is down below. Again, all the channels involved are down below, and so is Anya's channel. So don't forget to head over to those videos. I will be too, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye. Mwah.